Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue that USB showing is too large for the destination file system. So as you can see, I'm trying to copy one 5.26 GB file on my pen drive, but it's not copy. As you can see, it's showing this error which is too large, and my pen drive size is 30 GB as you can see. So what I have to do is I have to cancel this option, and if you have any file under your USB drive, then just back up that file to any other drive, and after that right click on your pen drive and click on format, and after that select here file system, go to select NTFS, and now click on start. Make sure that this option is selected, which is quick format. If you don't want quick format, then you can uncheck this option. So I will select quick format, and after that click on start and click on OK. So after done, click on OK, then close this window, and now try to copy once again the file. As you can see, it's working. So because it's happened because of your file system, so now is the file system is NTFS, as you can see. So I hope this small video will really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.